Hello everyone. Welcome to the new ecosystem of the Creaform Integrity Suite. Let's briefly explore together some of the changes that have been made to the software. Returning users will notice that there are still the same number of modules, but several have been renamed. The scan module has been updated to make it easier to distinguish which scanners are available. Templates will now be included on the home page too, below the list of scanners, for quick referencing. Let's move to the pipeline module. As in previous versions, we have the three main types of analyses. Corrosion, which includes the B31G code. Dent, for mechanical damage. And wrinkle analysis. Both the classic mode for advanced users and the guided inspection for simplified workflows are available. Okay, let's take a look at the aircraft module now, which was previously named the aerospace module. The naming convention for the two main analysis types was made clearer here with diagrams. For single curvature surfaces, a straight edge is used, whereas for multiple curvature areas, reconstructed mesh surfaces are preferred. And don't forget the bulge analysis option, if you're looking to identify excess material rather than material loss. Okay, onto the pressure equipment module, which used to be labeled surface damage. Again, here, the naming convention matches that of the aircraft module. For cylindrical shells, there is the option of using the API 579 code, which has been updated. Otherwise, for vessel heads and elbow pipes, for example, the second analysis type is recommended. Lastly, we have the Analysis Toolkit module, which replaces the name Damage Monitoring. This module is less of a guided workflow like the other modules. We can import a mesh for inspection as well as a reference to which to compare, which is useful for keeping track of damage over time of a particular section of scan. Let's not forget the tutorials section at the bottom of the home page, which are great for self-learning. These can help bring new users up to speed. I hope this video has helped to clarify the new ecosystem of the Creaform Integrity Suite. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.